Ejaculation frequency can be a surprising topic, but it holds significant implications for men's health, especially when it comes to prostate health. Imagine how daily habits can shape long-term wellness. What if something as simple as ejaculation could play a role in preventing prostate issues? Studies reveal intriguing connections that challenge common assumptions. Frequent ejaculation isn't just about pleasure, it's a potential safeguard against prostate diseases. Yet, many remain unaware of how this routine can impact their health over time. Picture this, a healthier prostate might be just a daily habit away. But what does a healthy routine look like? Is there a right way to approach it? These questions linger, beckoning answers that could transform understanding. As we dive deeper, the effects of daily ejaculation on the prostate unfold, revealing insights that could change lives. Stay tuned, because the journey goes beyond just facts. It's about empowerment and knowledge that can lead to a healthier future. Don't miss out on the crucial details that can reshape perspectives on sexual health. Get ready to uncover the surprising benefits that this everyday act might hold for men everywhere. The key to better health might be closer than it seems. Ejaculation and prostate health. Studies have shown a fascinating connection between ejaculation frequency and prostate health. Research indicates that men who ejaculate more frequently may lower their risk of developing prostate cancer. For example, some studies suggest that those who ejaculate at least 21 times a month can experience significant benefits. This relationship has sparked interest in understanding how regular ejaculation might act as a protective factor against prostate-related issues. The reasoning behind this connection lies in the idea that ejaculation helps to flush out toxins and unwanted substances from the prostate. When men ejaculate, it promotes better circulation in the pelvic area and can aid in reducing inflammation. This process not only contributes to prostate health, but may also help maintain overall sexual function. As a result, men are encouraged to consider their ejaculation frequency as a part of a healthy lifestyle. Biological mechanisms. During ejaculation, a series of biological processes occur that are beneficial for the prostate. The release of semen involves numerous glandular secretions and muscular contractions. These actions not only expel semen but also stimulate the prostate, which can help keep it healthy. Additionally, hormones released during ejaculation may contribute to reducing stress and promoting relaxation, further benefiting prostate health. Moreover, the rhythmic contractions during ejaculation help to clear out stagnant fluids that could otherwise contribute to various prostate issues. This regular, cleaning process is essential for maintaining a healthy prostate environment. Understanding these biological mechanisms underscores the importance of ejaculation as not just a sexual act but a significant health-promoting event. Ideal frequency of ejaculation. Determining the ideal frequency of ejaculation can vary from person to person, but many health experts suggest a guideline. Research often points to a range of 2 to 4 times per week as a beneficial frequency for most men. This frequency can help maximize the health benefits associated with ejaculation while also considering individual preferences and lifestyles. It's essential to note that the key is consistency rather than aiming for a specific number. Regular ejaculation, whether through masturbation or sexual activity, seems to provide the best protective effects against prostate-related issues. Men should feel empowered to find a rhythm that works for them and contributes positively to their overall health and well-being. Additional considerations. While the focus is often on the health benefits of ejaculation, it is also essential to maintain a balanced perspective. Factors such as age, overall health, and personal circumstances can influence how frequently one should ejaculate. Consulting with a healthcare professional can provide personalized recommendations that take into account individual health histories and needs. Ultimately, understanding the relationship between ejaculation and prostate health can encourage men to adopt healthier practices. By prioritizing regular ejaculation, men can take proactive steps towards safeguarding their prostate and enhancing their sexual health. Impact on psychology. Masturbation is often seen as a personal and private activity, but its psychological effects can be quite significant. For many men, daily masturbation can serve as a stress reliever, providing a moment of relaxation in a busy day. It can help individuals release pent-up sexual energy, which may otherwise contribute to anxiety or irritability. In this way, it can be a form of self-care, promoting mental well-being. Moreover, the act of masturbation can boost self-esteem. Understanding one's own body and sexual responses can enhance body image and confidence. This self-exploration can lead to a more satisfying sexual experience, whether alone or with a partner. As men become more comfortable with their own sexuality, they often find it easier to communicate their needs and desires in relationships. Daily masturbation can also play a role in regulating mood. The release of endorphins and other feel-good hormones during ejaculation can improve overall emotional health. This chemical response can create a sense of happiness and contentment, making it easier to face daily challenges. It's a natural way for many to manage emotions and maintain a positive outlook. However, it's essential to note that excessive masturbation can have negative effects. If it starts to interfere with daily responsibilities or relationships, it may indicate an unhealthy pattern. Balancing this activity with other aspects of life is crucial for maintaining a healthy mental state. Ultimately, the psychological impact of daily masturbation can be largely positive, contributing to emotional well-being and self-acceptance. As long as it's practiced in moderation, it can be a healthy part of a man's sexual life. Relationship with prostatic diseases. Regular ejaculation, through masturbation or sexual activity, has been linked to the prevention of various prostate conditions. One of the most common issues men face is prostatitis, an inflammation of the prostate gland that can cause pain and discomfort. Engaging in regular ejaculation can help keep the prostate healthy by flushing out potential irritants and reducing inflammation. Additionally, regular ejaculation may help prevent benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, a condition characterized by an enlarged prostate. BPH can lead to uncomfortable urinary symptoms, such as difficulty urinating or frequent urination. Studies suggest that men who ejaculate more frequently may experience a lower risk of developing this condition, possibly due to improved prostate health and function. The mechanisms behind these benefits include the promotion of healthy blood flow and the maintenance of prostate tissue. Ejaculation can stimulate the prostate, helping it to function optimally. This stimulation might also encourage the production of fluids that can protect the prostate from infection and inflammation. Moreover, the psychological benefits of regular ejaculation should not be overlooked. Reduced stress and anxiety levels can contribute to better overall health, including prostate health. When men feel good mentally, their bodies often respond positively as well, creating a virtuous cycle of well-being. In summary, regular ejaculation can play a crucial role in preventing prostatic diseases like prostatitis and BPH. By maintaining prostate health through this natural process, men can improve their overall quality of life. Masturbation versus sexual relations. When it comes to the benefits of masturbation versus sex with a partner, there are some interesting points to consider, especially regarding prostate health. While both activities can be pleasurable and beneficial, they offer different advantages. Masturbation is a solo activity that allows for complete control over the experience, which can be great for understanding one's body and preferences. This self-exploration can lead to improved sexual health and confidence. On the other hand, sexual relations with a partner can bring emotional intimacy and connection that masturbation doesn't provide. The physical act of sex can also contribute to overall prostate health, as it involves similar biological processes as masturbation. However, some studies suggest that regular ejaculation, whether through masturbation or sex, is key in reducing prostate-related health risks, including cancer. It's also worth noting that the frequency and method of ejaculation can differ between the two activities. For some men, masturbation might be a more accessible option, especially if they are not in a relationship or if they prefer solo activities. The key is to find a balance that works for individual needs and circumstances, ensuring that both methods contribute positively to health. Ultimately, the decision between masturbation and sexual relations should be based on personal comfort and health goals. Both can play a role in maintaining prostate health, but understanding what works best for each individual is crucial. It's important to enjoy and engage in whichever activity feels right, as both can provide unique benefits. Tips for a healthy practice. Establishing a daily masturbation routine can be a positive addition to one's health regimen, but it should be approached thoughtfully. First, it's essential to ensure privacy and comfort, creating an environment that feels safe and relaxing. This can help enhance the experience, allowing for a more enjoyable and stress-free practice. A comfortable space can significantly influence the overall satisfaction and benefits derived from the act. Next, setting specific times for this practice can help in making it a regular part of one's daily routine. Just like any other healthy habit, consistency can lead to better outcomes. It's also beneficial to be mindful of the body's signals, as this can guide when to engage in this practice. Listening to the body is crucial for avoiding discomfort or negative feelings associated with overindulgence. Incorporating relaxation techniques, such as deep breathing or meditation, can also enhance the experience. These methods help reduce anxiety and promote a positive mindset, which is essential for both physical and mental well-being. Combining relaxation techniques with masturbation can create a holistic approach to health that encompasses both body and mind. Furthermore, it's important to maintain open communication about sexual health, whether with a partner or a healthcare provider. Understanding one's own body and being informed about health concerns can empower individuals to make better choices regarding their sexual practices. Regular checkups can also help in monitoring prostate health. Lastly, moderation is key. While daily masturbation can have its benefits, it's crucial to ensure that it doesn't interfere with other aspects of life, such as work or social interactions. Balancing this practice with other healthy habits can lead to a more fulfilling lifestyle, ensuring that physical and mental health are both prioritized. As we wrap up our journey into the fascinating world of ejaculation frequency and prostate health, it's essential to reflect on the key insights we've uncovered. Regular ejaculation isn't just a personal choice, it can play a significant role in maintaining a healthy prostate. Remember, the studies suggest that those who engage in this routine may face a lower risk of prostate-related issues down the line. So, how can you make this part of your lifestyle? Start by setting aside a few moments each day just for you. It's not only about physical health, it's also about mental well-being. Think about how you can incorporate this practice into your daily routine. Have you ever considered the benefits of being proactive about your health? What changes can you make today to ensure a healthier tomorrow? Keep exploring, keep learning, and always prioritize your well-being. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments. What topics would you like us to dive into next? Your feedback is invaluable. Remember, staying informed is key, so hit that subscribe button for more content that empowers your sexual health journey.